Hi, my name is Diego Alejandro Contreras Saugal. I am 22 years old. I live in Bogota, but I like get out in my motorcycle to visit and know many places outside the city since my favorite hobby is traveling with my family. Uh, I study industrial engineering in the UNAD, and I like the career and shots too. I like sport and cinema. My family is characterized by union and join. My mom is named Maria Oliva. She is 46 years old. She is characterized by its joy and charisma. She has green hair, black hair, and very beautiful. I have sister. Uh, her name is Stephanie. She is 4 years old. Her hair is black and very long. Here are the are brown. Finally, um, my brother, his name Wilmer Eduardo. He is 26 years old. His hair is black and his hair are green. Works and military. Thank you. Bye.